Hi, welcome to my channel Learning with Devika. Today is the day 3. We are talking about data types in C, like int, float, double, character. In VS Code, also explanation. Data types are data specific type. Data type define what kind of data a variable can or how much memory it needs. Two basic data types in C are int age. We are creating a variable age. We are initializing this to 25, or we can initialize, declare and initialize in single line like this. Primary data int, float, double, character. Like it has whole number, decimal number, big decimal number. These are single character. Like for this, percentage D we use, percentage F we use for this, percentage LF you use for this, percentage C we use for this, for printf format specifier. Like for character grade, we should always as single quotes A, single quote character we should always use. Integer. In C, integer or whole number without any decimal points, like int age, declaring here in score is current, declaring and initializing, initializing score 90. We are 100 to 90. We are modifying it. When we write score, will get us 90 because last modified will be stored. Create a program that declare an integer variable name number int number 50. So print f the value is percentage d. Float double. A float double data type used to store decimal number in C. Declare a float variable. Float always end with percentage of suffix. So it is an double for more decimal place. The main difference between float and double are precision, size, range, format. Precision double has higher precision than float. Float approximately 7 decimal. Double approximately 15 decimal. Size of float 4. A double is 8. Float as range this much, and double float format specifier for percentage dot 1f for print one digit after decimal, percentage dot 2f for print 2 digit after decimal. Printf floating value, like if you write as 98.6 def, it will write as almost approximately 6 decimal digit, like 98.59998, like that it will get. If you write dot 1f, you will get 98.6, that is 1 decimal place. Declaring float Celsius, double Fahrenheit. Celsius is equal to 25. Then this formula, percentage 1 float 1.1f. Then this one dot, yeah, you should get as dot 1f, or ls also you can write, lf also. Then what is the value you are given first, that is Celsius. You should be given variable 1, variable 2 is Fahrenheit. That is the output you will get like this. In character, C is a character data type in C used to store single character. Character in C are enclosed in single quote. Declaring a character variable, char letter, assign a value to a variable, like letter is equal to a, grade like character letter is equal to E also we can write. Occupied 1 byte, ASCII values of A is 65, B is 66, C is 67, like that. If the letter is percentage C means it ends the letter A. Create a program that declares a character variable name symbol A. It stores in single quotes. The symbol is A. This is the output you will get like this.
Percentage in here 10 again 5 like that we are given decimal floating number, decimal number and character. Like percentage means 10, percentage 3D means of after 3 space it will print 10. Percentage it means floating point number, percentage dot after 2 integer it stops the floating point number. 8 space dot 2 means percentage 8 space after it means 2 decimal points. Percentage LF means when double number double, then percentage of the LF means of two stop after two decimal stop. Percentage C means it will print the character A. Percentage B means it will print the value of character 65. Thanks for watching. Follow for more coding journey.